This is a video walkthrough of the hard mode of the vulnerable Docker 1 CTF available from VulnHub. A link to the vulnerable image is given in the description below. As a first note, each virtual machine's network adapter has been set to bridged mode to allow internet access. The reason for this setting will be apparent during the walkthrough. I have previously established that the vulnerable machine is at LAN IP address 10.0.0.163 and the attacking machine is at LAN IP address 10.0.0.142. Let's get started. We'll run a quick nmap scan of the vulnerable machine. We can see that ports 22 and 8000 are open. Let's check port 8000 in a browser. It's a WordPress site. Let's look around a bit. If we look at the blog posts, we can see that the only author is Bob. I'm going to use the WPForce attack suite to try to brute force Bob's login password. The password brute force discovered that the password for Bob is welcome1. Now we can log into the WordPress site. We can easily get a reverse PHP shell by modifying a WordPress plugin. We'll use the Hello Dolly plugin for this purpose. First we'll copy a standard Kali php-reverse-shell to our desktop, renaming it with a text extension. Now we edit the IP address to our attacking machine's IP address and paste the main body of the PHP file into the Hello Dolly plugin. Make sure to update the plugin, then return to the main plugin page. We set up a netcat listener on our attacking machine and activate the plugin. We now have a reverse PHP shell into the machine, but we are inside of a Docker container. We have to escape from the container to get root. change to the tmp directory, create a directory, and change into that directory. We're going to scan the Docker IP addresses located in the range of 172.18.0.124 to see if there are any connections that we may use. We can create a simple bash scanner and upload it to the target machine using curl. Changing to the desktop, we start a simple Python web server to serve up files to the target machine. We get the bash scanner file using curl, chmod it, and run the scan. Let's see what this port 8022 is on 172.18.0.2. It's a Docker-SSH web interface. We can use this with the reverse SSH shell to get full command line abilities on the target machine. We'll download an OpenSSH client to use for a reverse SSH shell and get it to our target machine using curl. Using a chain of commands, we can extract the package, chmod the necessary files, and generate a public key to use on our attacking machine. We now have to save the public key in an authorized keys file on our attacking machine and chmod it to 600. After saving the file, we'll restart the SSH service. We can now run the reverse SSH shell command and hopefully be able to connect to the Docker-SSH web interface on our local machine at port 8022. We are in the Docker-SSH interface. Now it's just a simple matter of installing Docker and running the root please image to gain root access. Now let's get the flag. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. Stay tuned for more CTF walkthroughs and some other interesting videos about the world of computer hacking.